About 60 firefighters here in Pasadena got vaccinated. That was just about 45 minutes ago when they stopped. You can see now they're back to work. They're actually heading out on a call here at this station. So a busy day, but a good day here for firefighters. They said this was a very easy process. It was voluntary. Many we talked to said they did the research and knew it was the right decision for them and their families. After the vaccine, firefighters waited for about 15 minutes, and then many of them went right back to work. This is the first shot. They will get the next one in a few weeks. Now, along with first responders, those in the medical field and residents of long-term care facilities are being vaccinated. The state does hope to receive more than 2 million vaccine doses by the end of 2020. And after the first wave of vaccines, adults over the age of 65 are listed as a priority. They are still working on how that will all play out, though. Now, this time it's not known how long the vaccine's immunity will last. Health experts aren't sure if this will be something that is seasonal like the flu shot. The vaccine, though, is effective at preventing symptoms of COVID-19, but it's not clear whether someone who's been vaccinated can still catch the virus and give it to others. We did speak, though, with firefighters who got the vaccine this morning. This is what they had to say.
What we did here for Pasadena is we just provided them with as much information as possible and let them make their own decision. And thankfully, most of them have elected to get this first round as it's available. We have continually had to pivot since March of this year. Normally at this time of year, we're planning for the Rose Bowl and the Rose Parade, and this year we're not. So getting the vaccine gives us hope going for the future and for next year.
And that's what firefighters are saying. They said this vaccine, it will give them an extra layer of protection when it comes to being out in the field, out with the public. Also will help them keep their families safe as well. And they will be getting that next dose within the next few weeks.